Alright, so quick update. The exhaust finished a while ago. I just haven't been making videos recently. I welded it myself. Not too bad. I made those welds with an arc welder. And after doing that job and trying to do this one well, I decided to get a MIG because it's too hard welding thin gauge steel like this. I did okay. I mean, it's tacked on there pretty good, but out of focus. It's tacked on there enough that I'm happy with it because it's pretty friggin' solid. I had to cut away all the rust. As you can see. So cut that whole thing out. That's been welded in, and what I've done is I've heated this up, or when the weld was hot, I hit it with a hammer. So this is all lower than what this will be. So you just put body filler over all that. So that's what I need to do on this side. Just right at my rocker before the wheel starts, but I found a nice surprise after cutting out a nice rusty section. There's part of it. It's pretty rusty. Anyways, there's a mouse nest. So I have to remove that as much as possible. I'm probably going to spray some oil on the inside just to protect it. But yeah, it's coming along. Just that, and it should be all done. Ready for paint. Well, do that, then the bodywork. This is all done. Roof's all done. And everything's done down to about here. On both sides, I think. I don't know what the other side, I haven't really checked. So, I'm pretty excited, stoked to get this thing going. Should be fun. I had it, took it for a spin in the parking lot. It's pretty quick. I guess, I know it's a bit lighter without the doors and the hatch and the hood and etc., but still pretty quick. So I finally got this MIG instead. And this one's it's compatible for gas hookup. It's all ready to go. All you need to do is reverse the polarity. That should make my rocker job a bit easier.